Glad you dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
And now, my fine people, presto. Come on now, what's the matter? You're holding up the show. How humiliating. Guess who?
What now, students? We will stop a woodpecker. Go. The time has come, woodpecker.
What? No last meal?
Hey, they come for Woody. The dirty rats. So long, Woody.
Chin up, boy!
Goodbye, Woody. He's a-going across the great divide. We will show how the woodpecker should be mounted.
All righty. No last meal. Huh.
Ah, get that woodpecker! Strong Nose, come here. Give a sniff, Strong Nose. Go get him!
He's up there. Don't just stand there. Find that crazy woodpecker. Don't worry, pal. I'll help you find him. There, in that ash can. There he goes, in there. There he goes. There he goes, over the mountain. There he goes, down the road.
You did not catch the woodpecker, so we stop you instead?
Why, that big so-and-so? What do you mean he didn't catch me? Good dog.
Hey, they got Woody back. Yeah, I'll stop him later.
Hey, strong nose. I saved your life. Now you save mine. And now, students, I'll show you how a woodpecker really should be stuffed.